Mechanical Turret Punch Press GT30. HARSLE Mechanical Turret Punch Press is a machine used in sheet metal fabrication to punch holes, shapes, and patterns in metal sheets. It uses numerical control to automate the punching process. The GT30 is equipped with numerical control. It typically has a turret with multiple tool stations. Each station holds a different punching tool, allowing the machine to perform various operations without requiring manual tool changes. Its workbench adopts a closed-type integral welded structure and heat treatment to remove internal stress, rigidity, and tonnage to ensure the long-term stability of the machine and improve the positioning accuracy, reliability, and durability. It has a hard brush and steel ball mixed table surface, which can reduce noise and vibration. The GT30 uses the pneumatic full-floating clamp, which can reduce the deformation of the plate. Benefits of a pneumatic workbench or clamping system may include speed, precision, and ease of use. The mechanical turret punch press machine is known for its high-speed operation and accuracy. It can handle a variety of sheet metal materials and thicknesses. The ability to quickly and precisely punch holes and shapes makes them suitable for mass production in industries such as automotive, electronics, and appliance manufacturing. HARSLE helps create more value and achieve more efficient bending solutions.
HARSLE. Save time, money.